Getting into a serious transformation isn't about motivation, it's about removing noise, controlling your environment, and forcing your brain to become someone new. If you have been stuck in the same habits, the same distraction, the same cycle of I will start tomorrow, then this part is going to hit you hard because I am about to break down the exact 30-day challenge used by elite performers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who's reinvented themselves fast. This isn't a morning routine video. This is a system people use when they want to disappear, rebuild, and return unrecognizable. Before you change anything, you need to face the truth. Most people avoid this because it exposes everything they have been running from. So for the first 24 hours, your only job is to write down every habit that drains you, every distraction that controls you, and every environment that weakens you, and every person that pulls you off your path. Don't justify it, don't soften it, just be brutally honest. Now that you know what's slowing you down, it's time to remove it. Just for the next 30 days, no 18+ content, no doom scrolling, no junk food, no late night clubs, no random socializing, and no empty comfort. But all of it. Because the version of you that caused your problems cannot survive inside the new life you are trying to build. Most people panic because they are adding good habits on top of broken foundation. But we are doing the opposite. You are removing the rot first. Your real transformation actually begins. For the next 30 days, you enter a controlled isolation. Not hiding from the world, but disconnecting from anything that adds noise without value. Communication becomes minimal, just family and necessary work. Everything else goes quiet. Silence is loneliness. Silence is clarity. And let me be clear, this isn't about going and falling into depression. You're not cutting the world off to suffer. You're cutting the world off to reset. But during this phase, you will feel discomfort. You will feel moments of boredom, restlessness, or even loneliness. That's normal. That's your brain panicking because it's not getting the cheap dopamine it's addicted to. Don't run back to your old average metrical life for the comfort. Don't escape into habits that kept you stuck. Sit with that same discomfort, feel it, because that pain you feel, it will transform you into someone new. This pain is your mind rewiring itself, breaking old loops and building stronger ones. Now that you have removed distraction, it's time to replace the void with structure, discipline, and the momentum. So here's your 30-day blueprint. First, physical training. You train every single day, and every day means every single day. Not for the aesthetics, but for discipline. Choose one: calisthenics, running, strength training, combat sports, or a mix. The goal is simple: push your body past the limit where your mind wants to quit, because that's where your old identity starts breaking and the new one starts building. 2. Deep work. Pick one skill or one mission you want to level up. Coding, sales, design, copywriting, AI, whatever it is. For 2-3 hours daily, you work without interruptions. No music with lyrics, no notification, no multitask. This single habit alone can change your income, your skill set, and your confidence. You train your mind to stay locked in for long stretches. And that's a superpower in a distracted world. Clean diet and hydration. Eat like someone who respects their future self. You will eat high protein, clean carbs, real food. Don't be too much strict, but eat intentionally. And hydrate like crazy because your brain literally works better when your body isn't dehydrated. 60 minutes of learning. Books, long-form content, documentaries, deep-down tutorials, whatever that increases your IQ. Not TikTok level bullshit education. You want ideas that stretch your identity? You want knowledge that helps you think like a creator, not a consumer. Nightly reflection. Before bed, you will write down 3 things. What I improved today, what I failed at, and what I will fix tomorrow. That's the cycle for the next 30 days. You will notice the mistakes, you will correct, and you will get a little better each time. And that's how you upgrade. 6. The one thing rule. Every day you have one main mission, not a list. Just one thing that moves your life forward. You complete it no matter what. That's how momentum becomes permanent. This phase builds the identity you are going to return with. Around day 14, things get different. The urge fades away, the noise in your head lowers down, and for the first time you feel in control. This is the birth of a new identity. Your old habits don't own you anymore, you are rewriting them. And the most crazy part, you don't even have to push as hard as now. Your mind starts choosing the harder, better path automatically because you are no longer acting, you are becoming. At the end of 30 days, you don't tell the world what you did, you don't make announcement, you just show up, sharper, more focused, more intentional. People will notice the difference before you even speak. That's the goal. You didn't disappear to escape life. You disappeared to take control of it. Let the world see the new version you are building. See you in the next one.